What's going on YouTube? And today I'm starting it off by getting the spline key because I'm missing my spline key. I don't know where it's at, so I'm up at AutoZone trying to find one, see if they found one. Sell one with just the key. And I'm also going to go get some muffs for the on the freaking 360 cam because 360 cam got a lot of wind going on. So I like to muffle that so I could do better and longer clips with the 360 cam on. Y'all favorite G8. Those need gas. I ain't gonna cap with you. Spy. Trying to figure out, can I get some muffs for now? So let's see. Well, so they didn't have what I was looking for in here, so that means we're 0 to 2 today. Couldn't find the 7 spline key, and we couldn't find the muffs to help with the wind for the 360 cam. So looks like I'm gonna have to order them, and I'm gonna just have to do my little edit outs to make sure it's not that much wind throughout the video, because that could be very annoying. I'm gonna try Target. Target is around here, and I doubt Five Below have it, but I'm gonna just try because I really don't want to order them and have to wait. But if I have to, it is what it is. And for the spline key, I'm actually just gonna go to the shop and just grab it. So, you know, but let's get to Target. Putting that 93 in there. That's our price right now. Put about 30 on there, and then, you know, going about my business. I'm actually about to go pick up the spline key from my cuz he actually had one, so, and he much closer. I'm gonna do that, go get this tire changed, and then, you know, go on from there. It's gonna be like a chill little POV little day. Probably put on a 360 too. But you know, exactly why I haven't been recording, because it is so busy. Oh, this long, like, all right, just made it here. Yeah, so now I just need to get that tire done, and this tire, because I had a problem with my caliper, and you see what it did there. Yep, I got like about 3 flat spots. So let's go talk to them real quick, get this situated, and let's see what it could work out. All right, so we got a tire that's about to get replaced. I'm replacing it because definitely got a stem leak. Y'all hear that? Stem leak. Bad. And it leaks air somewhere. I forgot where it was at, but it definitely leaks air. So it's time to just get it done, get it up out of here. All right, so got that tire on. Go over here. Got this boy on. I ain't gonna lie, this is pretty meaty, but we should be all good. feeling good. Feeling good. I ain't gonna lie. Feeling way much better. So, yeah. Better go pick up some food. I'm hungry. I just need something light to eat. So, I'm just go to Subway, pick up a little sub, eat on that. Then, I ain't in the video, you know? So we'll see. Give y'all a little cut up. Wow. Alright, so made it to Subway. About to go see what this hitting on. Well, I already know what it's gonna be hitting on. You know, the Subway. Already had Subway before. I'll check back at y'all when I'm up out of here. Oop. Let's eat some sub. Now, I'm gonna get back in this car. Today was decent. I'm not gonna lie. My off day, so I'm just vibing.